In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history in Gemini app. If you use Gemini regularly, clearing your history can help tidy up past conversations and protect your privacy, especially if you've been testing prompts or sharing your device with others. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence in just a few moments. Start by opening the Gemini app on your device. Give it a second to load so everything on the home screen is fully visible. From here, you're going to head into Settings. Look for a gear icon, usually found in a corner of the screen or within your profile area. Tap it to open the Settings menu. This is where Gemini keeps controls related to your account, preferences, and privacy. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Activity. This is the place that shows your past usage, including recent prompts and interactions you've had with the app. Tap Activity to open it. Take a quick look so you're certain you're viewing the history you intend to remove. It's always a good idea to pause here for a moment and make sure there's nothing you still need to reference, because once it's gone, it may not be recoverable. When you're ready, look for the Delete option. This may appear as a clear Delete button or as a trash bin icon, depending on your app version. Tap Delete. In many cases, the app will ask you to confirm your choice. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removal, so read the confirmation message carefully. If you're sure, confirm to proceed. The app will process your request and your history will be cleared from this view. After deletion, return to your main screen or back to the Activity section to verify that the history is gone. If your list is empty or noticeably reduced, you've completed the process successfully. If anything still appears, give the app a moment to refresh or close and reopen it to update the view. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Clearing history is useful if you want a fresh start or you're troubleshooting odd suggestions based on older prompts. If you don't immediately see settings or activity, make sure you're on the latest version of the app, as layouts can change with updates. And remember, deleting history is typically permanent, so double-check before you confirm. That's it. You've learned how to open Gemini, go to Settings, access Activity, and delete your history quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace organized and secure.